Lingokids. Sneezing.
Hi, Lingokids. I'm Libby, your curiosity coach. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, my nose tickles. Achoo!
Wow, that was a big sneeze. Everyone sneezes in their own way.
Yeah, I know all about it.
Really?
Nope. What is a sneeze?
Let's find out. A sneeze is a nose cleaner. If your nose tickles, that means there's something in there that your body doesn't like. Your brain says, time to sneeze, and you get it out. You might sneeze because you have allergies.
Allergies?
Allergies are things that make some people sneeze, but not everyone. Maybe we're allergic to dust. Oops. Dust is all over our homes. It gets in the air and then in your nose. Can you help find any dust in your home? You can help clean it up. It's fun. Pollen can make you sneeze too. Pollen is in flowers and trees. And bees eat it. Buzz! If you look really closely, you can see pollen in the center of a flower.
Achoo!
Uh-oh, you got pollen in your nose.
Well, my nose didn't touch the flower.
Pollen is in the air. You breathe it into your nose. Some people have allergies to cats and dogs.
Oh, no!
Oh, yes. Sometimes you sneeze because you're sick. But guess what? Sneezing helps get the germs out of your nose. Those germs really fly! You don't want to get your germs on anyone else. Use a tissue to cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze. Like this. If you don't have a tissue, sneeze into your upper arm. That way you catch the sneeze and all its germs. Remember to wash your hands after you sneeze.
Yeah!
And your upper arm if you sneeze there, to clean off any germs.
Why else do we sneeze?
Sometimes you sneeze when you walk into bright sunlight. Sometimes you sneeze when you smell pepper.
Really?
It sounds silly, but it happens. Our bodies are amazing. They know just what to do. I'm curious, what other amazing things does your body do? Think about it.
Oops. See you next time.
For more curiosity time.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel now so that you don't miss a beat. And for more play learning fun, head over to the Lingokids app.